Ito ang balita ngayon, viral at trending ngayon sa social media. Matapos tinanggalan ng budget ng Kongreso, binatikos at kinasuhan pa ng mga kumakalaban sa Office of the Vice President, Deputy Secretary at Vice President Sara Duterte. Matapang at harap-harapang nilabas ang mga katibayan at 100 days accomplishment ng Office of the Vice President. At ito na nga mga kababayan, Vice President Sara Duterte ginulat at tila sinampal ng katotohanan ng Kongreso at Senado at lahat ng kumakalaban sa kanya, lalong-lalo na si Tambaloslos, mga makakaliwang grupo at kumukontra sa confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President. Sa videong ito ay harapang pinatunayan ng Office of the Vice President at ni Vice President Sara Duterte na hindi siya korap at totoong may malasakit siya sa mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na sa mga may hirap nating mga kababayan. Nang lumabas ang balitang ito, marami sa ating mga kababayan ang labis na humanga at hindi mapigilan na magbigay ng kanilang hinaing at komento sa mundo ng social media. At ayon pa sa kanila, good job VP Sara, karapat dapat ka talagang maging leader ng ating bansa. Nasa iyo ang lahat ng katangian para maging isang leader sa mahal nating bayan. Ikaw ang ginawang instrumento ng ating Panginoong Hesus para matulungan ang kababayan natin na nangangailangan ng tulong. Maraming salamat sa Diyos at sa iyong mabuting pagmamahal. VP Sara, mahal namin kayo. Grabe, ang dami niyang nagawa pero nakakapagtaka lang, di po ito pinapalabas sa mainstream media nang para malaman ng taong bayan na tama ang tao na niluklok nila sa pwesto. Yan ang tunay na nagtratrabaho sa bansa. Tahimik lang si VP Day Sara, pero marami nang ginagawa kagaya sa tatay niyang si PRRD. Kahit dito sa Bacolod, ang bus ng OVP free ride patuloy pa rin hanggang ngayon. Yan ang tunay na nagmamahal sa taong bayan at sa bansa. Nakikita mo talaga. Yung mga maingay sa confidential fund ni VP Sara, walang mai-report o kahit resibo. Titindig at tatayo lang para may maibulsa. Nagpalakpakan din ng mga member ni Tambaloslos kasi may tagapagtanggol. Tapat sa serbisyo at totoo, saludo po ako sa ating mahal na VP Sara. God bless you po sa inyo. Kaya kayong kumukontra sa pagtulong niya para sa kabutihan ng Pilipinas. Gumawa naman kayo ng mabuti, huwag puro issue, dagdag pasakit lang kayo sa bayan. Gayahin nyo ang ating VP Sara na walang ibang hinangad kundi ang kabutihan sa taong bayan at sa bansang Pilipinas. We love you VP Sara, mahal ka naming lahat. End quote. Narito ang full video kung saan malalaman na ng taong bayan ang katotohanan kung gaano karami ang mga programa, proyektong naipatupad at natulungan ng Office of the Vice President sa loob lamang ng 100 days na pag-upo nito bilang Vice Presidente ng Pilipinas na pinakinabangan ng maraming Pilipinong mamamayan.
Ito, may ginawang report video si VP Inday Sara sa accomplishment nila in 100 days. Grabe no? Sana all nagre-report. Sana all. At dito nyo makikita mga lords, gaano ka kwalidad at gaano kadami ang natulungan ni VP Inday Sara ng mga kababayan natin.
Today, let me report to you that in the first 100 days of my first year in office as Vice President, we have initiated watershed decisions that would not only significantly change the way Filipinos look at the Office of the Vice President, but most importantly, would strengthen its mandate and will enable the office to serve more and more Filipinos across the country. The watershed decisions that we have initiated, the reforms of the pipeline, the expansion of the existing social services programs, the implementation programs aimed at addressing lack of livelihood, and recovery from disasters and armed conflicts, these all bring us to an Office of the Vice President that will never leave any sector behind. To ensure ensure that services offered by the OVP will not only be concentrated in the National Capital Region, but will also reach the regions in Mindanao and the Visayas, we have established OVP satellite offices in Dagupan, Cebu, Tacloban, Zamboanga, Davao, Surigao del Sur, and Bacolod. This is first in the history of the Office of the Vice President. But more than that, the significance of the OVP satellite offices can be best appreciated by the number of indigent Filipinos being served day in and day out. The satellite offices have made the Office of the Vice President become more accessible to Filipinos, offering a menu of services such as medical and burial assistance. We set up the OVP Disaster Operations Centers to institutionalize the disaster relief activities of the OVP. Another first in the history of the Office of the Vice President. The Disaster Operations Center will put disaster response at the forefront of OVP operations, recognizing that disaster or calamity-stricken communities desperately need relief assistance and other social services. The Office of the Vice President Disaster Operations Center will work closely and will complement the operations of other concerned agencies, including the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council and its local counterparts, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, and local government units. Fresh from its inception, the OVP Disaster Operations Centers responded to the victims and survivors of the July 27 earthquake in Abra. In coordination with the OVP Disaster Operations Center, the OVP satellite offices will also respond and aid those affected by disasters and calamities in the regions. We have also assisted 3,000 residents of 6 towns of Nueva Ecija who were affected by the recent typhoon, giving them 5,000 each. The 15 million assistance was made through the Assistance for Individuals in Crisis Situations of the Department of Social Welfare Development. Coming into office, one of the challenges we immediately identified was the need for the Office of the Vice President's central office to be centralized. Moving all the OVP workforce into one building was necessary for faster, more efficient, and more effective public service delivery. From 2 separate offices in Quezon City, the Office of the Vice President is now located at the Robinson Cybergate Plaza in Mandaluyong. One OVP. Our current goal is to establish a permanent office for the future vice presidents of the country. We have also conducted initial scoping and linkages with the National Center for Culture and the Arts, National Historical Commission of the Philippines, and the National Museum of the Philippines for the construction of museum of all vice presidents of the Philippines. At the OVP Central Office, the medical and burial assistance for indigent Filipinos continues and even improved with our partnership with the Department of Health for the Medical Assistance to Indigent Patients program. The program covers at least 31 public hospitals all over the country. Our partnership with the Department of Social Welfare and Development enables Filipinos in crisis situations to access government assistance through the OVP satellite offices.
I-end ko na yung video mga lods kasi sobrang taas pa, ang daming natulungan. Sobrang daming natulungan no, ni Vice President Inday Sara. Alam niyo mga lods, yan yung tulong, di ba? Kwalidad, hindi pucho-pucho, hindi tinipid. Yan ang deserve ng mga Pilipino. Di ba? Grabe, imagine niyo. Even VP Inday Sara, makikita mo talaga sa kanya yung desire na tumulong, di ba? And grabe yung execution niya. Imagine niyo Office of the Vice President pa lang yan. Meron pa siyang DepEd. Di ba? Grabe, sobrang laki ng hawak ngayon ni VP Inday Sara. And justifiable yung funds and budget na nire-request at pinopopost niya sa House of Representatives, no? And ma-amaze ka, sobrang talagang the best yung kanyang serbisyo. Kwalidad, no? Kaya wala, sobrang layo sa sinasabi niyong ina nyo. Ang layo. Sobrang layo. Di ba? Magmayabang kayo kung kwalidad ang serbisyo na ibinigay ng ina nyo dati. Pero Diyos ko, sa kwalidad ng serbisyo at tulong ni VP Inday Sara sa mga Pilipino, kaya sobrang lakas at sobrang dumadami ang sumusuporta kay VP Inday Sara. Sa totoo lang mga Lods, hindi ko na tinitingnan kung magkano ang budget ni VP Inday Sara eh. Ang tinitingnan ko kung paano niya ginastos, magkano ang ibinibigay niya sa mga assistants, no? Sa mga burial assistants, cash assistants, no? Yung mga tulong pinansyal sa hospitals. Hindi pocho-pocho ha, ang laki ng pera na ibinibigay niya sa mga tao. And I'd rather choose that kind of service. Diba? Kesa naman kurakutin at iwalda sa kung saan-saan man, ibahin nyo si VP Inday Sara. Kaya yung mga ano nyo, diba? Yung mga akusasyon nyo, mga pamimintang nyo, paninira nyo kay VP Inday Sara, hindi nyo maitatanggi at hindi nyo maiaalis gaano kalaki at kadami na ang natulungan ni VP Inday Sara and Office of the Vice President. Even ikaw tambaloslos, hindi mo mapapantayan si VP Inday Sara. Drop.